do you have to clean the plate every single time? Yes, and I'm going to show you why. Okay. You may, if you do this again and scrape, you may get lucky and get a nice pickup, just like this. And I won't lie, there's been times where I feel like that has worked for me. Okay. But let's keep using that same part right there to pick up. Eventually you'll notice that the pickups will get worse and worse, and you won't get a really nice pickup each time. Actually, even this one, even though it is a nice pickup, but it is missing parts and bits of polish. So let me go ahead and put that on. So I do recommend in general that you do clean your plate every time that you use it, just as a good reference. You can get away with it, but as a general rule, I wouldn't do it.